Hello. The World Gold Council has just released its Q2 Gold Demand Trends report, and we found that demand for gold has softened year on year in this quarter. And that's primarily because of outflows globally from ETFs, as overall investment demand is actually down. And that's because of monetary tightening and the surge in the US dollar. But if we look at the jewelry market, that is up, but it's still below pre-pandemic levels. And that's because of COVID-induced weakness in China, which is the world's largest jewelry market, and also concerns about inflation on the horizon as well. Closer to home in ASEAN, though, we've seen jewelry demand is up across the board. In fact, consumer demand for bars and coins and for jewelry is up in ASEAN. And here in Singapore is actually the best performer in ASEAN, where total consumer demand was up 43% year on year in the second quarter. And there are a number of reasons why consumers still find gold an attractive asset class. The first is it can protect wealth over time, and that's especially important when we see pressures on regional currencies like we do at the moment. The second is we're entering an inflationary environment, and our research shows that gold can be an effective inflation hedge. It's also a hedge against risk, and one of the reasons for that is it can be an effective portfolio diversifier, in particular because it has a lack of strong correlations with many other asset classes, particularly in downturns. And the final consideration for consumers is if they can buy and sell it easily. And gold is a liquid asset. Gold, on average, trades at about $145 billion every single day globally. But that means that consumers can buy and sell easily, they can sell when the price is high, they can enter the market when they want to. And that makes gold a unique and attractive asset class. And we'll be looking at why consumers buy gold and their views and perceptions of gold in our consumer markets research. And this year we're looking in detail at Thailand's consumer market, which is one of the largest in ASEAN. And we'll be publishing our consumer markets research later in the year in September. And you'll be able to find that and our Gold Demand Trends report along with all of our research on www.goldhub.com.